CEOs and HR directors, I know what you're thinking. The best way to get your people to perform better at work is to focus on that one metric that everyone talks about: employee engagement. So employee engagement becomes that North Star that everyone is trying to drive at. But here's where we trip up and we make a mistake. I was talking to Bill Jensen, the author of Future Work, and I asked Bill Jensen, if you could see 10 years into the future, how would the nature of the workplace change? And this is what Bill told me. He said, Vishen, companies will stop demanding that their people be engaged solely in the company vision, and instead, companies will also be engaged in their employees' vision for themselves. Now, I had that conversation with Bill 5 years ago, so we are potentially 5 years into his predicted future. This is what it's going to look like, and we have started making this become real. And companies that follow these practices are seeing a massive transformation in how their people show up in revenue and profit per employee, in retention, and in all the metrics that contribute to incredible workspace culture. It starts like this. We have to understand that people no longer just take jobs so that they earn a paycheck. The United States today has near maxed out unemployment. The best people get to choose where they want to work. And the best people, they have visions for their life. What if companies can provide a means where employees can actually create a plan for their vision? This could be a 1-hour training, or some companies do a 4-day training called Lifebook. And as employees go deep in their vision, they gain immense clarity on who they want to be in life, but they also gain deeper connections with each other. A key concept here is that not only are we giving people inspiring visions to pursue, but we are getting people closely connected so employees can collaborate in supporting each other. When this happens, so many remarkable things start to take place. And a study by Gallup of 10 million employees said that when employees answer yes to the following question, my supervisor or someone at work cares about me as a person, every metric of their performance shoots up. So the key here is empowering your employees to come up with a vision for their life by bringing in the right protocols into a business and creating an environment where you're not just demanding that your people are obsessed with the company vision, but you're giving people clarity, vision, hope, goals for their own life. When you do this, the best people stay with you. If you want to know more about Mindvalley Solutions, go to mindvalley.com/business or write to betterteams@mindvalley.com.